If your Samsung Galaxy phone suddenly seems to have lost the flashlight, it can feel confusing, especially if you were used to accessing it quickly before. In most cases, the flashlight hasn't actually disappeared, it's just been removed from the quick panel, or changed after a software update or accidental edit. Samsung allows you to customize your quick settings, which is helpful, but it also means important toggles like the flashlight can get hidden without you realizing it. The good thing is that you can easily bring it back and even place it exactly where you want for faster access. Once you know where to look, restoring the flashlight toggle only takes a few seconds. Try these. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. Step 2. Swipe down again to expand all quick settings tiles. Step 3. Tap the edit to customize the panel. Step 4. Look for the flashlight tile in the available buttons section. Step 5. Drag and place the flashlight icon back into the active quick panel. Step 6. Tap Done or Save to apply the changes.